Learn with Lily.
Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn about commas and dates. First of all, I want to point out that the order of month, date, and year is written differently in different countries. But we're going to focus on the month, date, and year format. When writing a date, we use a comma to separate the date from the year like this. May 1st, comma 2024. Do you see the comma after the date to separate it from the year? Let's use it in a sentence. I was born on July 7th, comma 2012. Let's try another one. We're going to travel in Japan on December 1st, 2024. Where should the comma go? That's right here, after the date, to separate it from the year. But what if you want to add the day as well? You know, the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's write the date again, but this time including the day of the week. So, where do you want to write the day of the week? Does it come at the front, the middle, or the end? It comes right at the front. So, Tuesday, December 1st, 2024. Let's put the comma here just after the day. And another one here just after the date. Let's try another one. My birthday is on Sunday, July 7th, 2024. Where should you put the commas? After the day of the week. And another one after the date. Good job! Now, if you're just giving only a month and a year with no date, you don't need to use a comma, like this. January 2025. We will move to Canada in January 2025. In this case, you don't need a comma. It's time for a quick quiz. Where should you place the commas? Thursday, December 25th, 2024 is Christmas Day. Chinese New Year is on January 29, 2025. Time to check. Put the commas after the day of the week here and another one after the date. Thursday, comma, December 25th, comma, 2024. Good job! Let's check the next one. Chinese New Year is on January 29, 2025. We just need one comma to separate the date and the year right here. January 29th, comma, 2025. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about commas and dates. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!